How do you do? The ducks are in a line. गर्व से कहो मैं भारतीय हूँ. Hello guys, welcome to my new blog. So today is 15 August. Happy Independence Day. It's been 79 years of independence. In 15 August 1947, India became independent from British rule, and now we have done 79 years of journey of Indian democracy. So you can assume now I am on the bank of Kopai River. Yes, you can see Kopai River just behind me. The bridge, the road, there's the river. It's my cycle. As I already have promised that I will make a video on Independence Day, and now I am fulfilling my promise to you. Let me take you to a place you will like it, and I am sure you will remember the place. A temple is here. The dogs are also here. Oh. I am not scared of dogs, but I should be aware of them. Otherwise, they could bite me. There are many dogs. Most of the dogs are sleeping or laying idle. How do you do? This is the temple, the rest place. Oh, there is a symbol. A banyan tree is here. It's very big. And a Kopai river is there. Having a big banyan tree in a temple premises is an addition. You can also call it a accretion because it provides you a big shadow. So especially in summer days, you can take shelter under its umbrella, and it's very relief to you. I just think of the village people, how they spend their summer days under a banyan trees. Whenever they are on road, they would also take rest under a banyan tree. It's just a village thing, nothing else. I assume you would like to see another place, so I should get on my bicycle and carry my journey. The bridge. Now I am on a tea shop. The tea shop. This is the river. Oh, beautiful. Now I have reached a rural place. You can see by my surroundings. Actually, I planned to take you to Prantik. You must remember Prantik because in previous week I took you to the place Prantik. But I guess you will get bored if I take you to Prantik because you are visiting the same place. So I decided to reroute my journey. Oh, just look at the road. The surroundings. national flag. Just look at the field. Oh, you hardly see any agrarian field in town. I gotta say, the place is very much rural. I gotta continue my journey. So let's get back on the road. What I found, a pond. Ducks are swimming there. Oh, what a scene. The agrarian fields are there. There is another pond. Rural house. A makeshift house or cottage. Whatever you say. I can hear train sound from here. I think if I go forward, then I can find a rail line. Of course, whenever I reach Prantik, I have to go through a railway line. So let's get there. Oh God. The ducks are in a line and now they are retreating from pond. Now I have reached Prantik, but from a different route. Yes, you can see the railway line. You can see the electric wirehead. That's the underpass. The area is very rural. A building is forming there. Oh, I guess they are the flowers that we use to Durga Puja festival. In Bengali, we call them Kasful. I have decided to get back home from the conventional route, my conventional route, because if I go back from the same route where I come from, then it will be a long journey and I have to change my routes different times. So it's gonna be easy if I get back on my conventional route. This is Prantik. There's the railway line. You can see the electric overhead wires, the road. A shop is here. Dense forest. The place is reminding me of Boikuntupur forest. The forest is in my home city, Siliguri. One day I will make a vlog on Boikuntupur forest and I hope you will like it. But first of all, I gotta get back home. Oh, train. Now I have been on a dense forest area. Yes, you can see trees or bushes surrounding me. Oh, there is a railway bridge. There is Prantik station, I guess. Another train. I am not alone here. I have seen some people, some boys here. They are far away from me. Actually, I choose this area so I can do my blog. Yes, sometimes it's very difficult if you blog in a densely populated area, because you know people's behavior. They will mock your blogging. They will say what they say. Oh, hello guys, this is my blog, etc. etc. So I choose this area for blogging. I would like to tell you that it's my second Independence Day outside home, because on the previous Independence Day I was also at Bolpur. Actually, I did a short video on that day. I did have a mustache and I was wearing a sunglass. You can check the short video on my channel 1 year ago. I still did not have my nodules. I have planned to do this on Tuesday with my close friends, and then I will be free. I am planning to go back home on the end of this month, and I also contemplate to go back here once I get a job. I will try to transfer here because the place is very nice. I like the houses, I like the environment. I really like the environment in my own hometown, Siliguri. Oh God, I will miss Bolpur very much. I have very much memorable events with this place, and I would like to get back on this place again once I get the opportunity. Oh God, please fulfill my wish. I like Bolpur very much. I like Shantiniketan. I like Hollywood films. The recent English film which I have seen was The Departed. It's a film by director Martin Scorsese. Leonardo DiCaprio and Matt Damon starred in this film. Also Jack Nicholson. It's a crime thriller movie. It's also a neo-noir film. If you are a cinephile like me, then you must know what's a neo-noir film. I guess you will enjoy the film, The Departed. I like Martin Scorsese films. His films has a quality. I also like the films of Quentin Tarantino, then David Fincher, and many others. Slowly the place is going populated. People are coming here. So it becomes very difficult for me to continue my blog here. So I envisage to shift my blogging point. So let's shift to another place. I would like to end my monologue with a message. I know I have already told you it's been 79 years of independence, and since we are divided on the basis of culture, language, religion, caste, and other issues, India has been thriving on international theatre. India is becoming superpower, but we also got to resolve our domestic issues. We should put aside our differences. So, whatever you are, a Bengali, a Gujarati, an Assamese, a Marathi, a Tamil, a Kashmiri, a Bihari, or a Naga, you should pride yourself as an Indian. You should set aside your regional identity and identify yourself as a citizen of India, a cosmopolitan and multinational country. So take pride, गर्व से कहो मैं भारतीय हूँ, भारत मेरा देश है, मेरा भारत महान. So thank you guys. I hope you like my video. If you love my video, then you leave a thumbs up, a comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel if you are new to my channel. And also share this video with your friends. I hope they will also like my video. So that's the end. I would like to repeat Happy Independence Day. I hope your Independence Day will be good and you will embrace your identity as an Indian. Goodbye, Tata. See you again.